Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with the new topic, that is property of medians. In the previous lecture, what we have studied, what are the medians and how to draw the medians. What are the medians? Median is a segment which joins a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. A is a vertex, BC is its opposite side, R is the midpoint of BC. So the segment which joins A with R is called as the median. Another median is BQ and the next median is CP. And how we have found the midpoints of all the sides? By drawing the perpendicular bisector of the three sides. By drawing the perpendicular bisectors, we get the midpoint. And by joining the midpoint with the opposite vertex, we get the median. And what we have observed, that median of any type of triangle, they are they are concurrent, means they intersect at the same point. And this point of concurrence is called as centroid. It is called as centroid and it is always denoted by the letter G. Now we are going to study one property of the medians. Now here you can observe that after drawing the median AR, due to point G, this median is divided into two parts. G point के कारण इस median के दो parts हो गए हैं. Which are the two parts? AG and GR. In the same way, the median BQ is divided into two parts, BG and GQ. And the third median, CP, it is also divided into two parts, CG and GP. So now we will measure the parts of the medians. So when we measure AG, what we observe, it is 3.8 centimeter. And if we measure GR, what we observe, it is 1.9 centimeter. So here I have written the lengths of the parts AG and GR. Next one is CG. Let's measure CG. It is 4 centimeter and PG, it is 2 centimeter. Okay. Now the third median. Here we will measure BG. Observe here, BG is 3.6 centimeter and GQ is 1.8 centimeter. So when you observe all these lengths, what is the relation that you can make between these two parts of the median, AG और GR? AG और GR ये एक ही मीडियन के दो पार्ट्स हैं जो ये पॉइंट G के कारण बने हैं, सेंट्रॉइड के कारण बने हैं. तो ये दो पार्ट्स जब हमने मेजर किए, व्हेन वी मेजर्ड द लेंथ, व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व हियर, दैट 3.8 इज डबल द 1.9. 1.9 को जब हम डबल करते हैं तो 3.8 मिलता है. हियर 4 and 2, CG and GP, एक ही मीडियन के दो पार्ट्स है, CG and GP. इन दो पार्ट्स में भी वही रिलेशन है, 2 का डबल होता है 4. नेक्स्ट BG and GQ, इसमें भी वही रिलेशन है, ये 1.8 है तो 18 का डबल होता है 36. 18 2 जा 36 मीन्स 1.8 का डबल है 3.6. So the smaller part of the median, okay, it is half the bigger part. या फिर उल्टा बोलेंगे, bigger part is double the smaller part. ये बड़ा पार्ट छोटे पार्ट का डबल होता है या फिर छोटा पार्ट बड़े पार्ट का आधा होता है. Now this is true for any triangle. See here, this is a right angle triangle. Three medians are there, PA, QB and RC. Here also I have measured the length PG. See here, PG is 4 centimeter and AG is 2 centimeter. Next, QG is 2.2 centimeter and QG is 2.6 centimeter, 2.6, and GB is 1.3 centimeter. Similarly, RG is 4.4 centimeter and CG is 2.2 centimeter, 2.2. So here also we observe the same thing. PG is 4, GA is 2, means PG is double of GA. Here also 13 2s are 26, means QG is double of GB, and here also 22 2s are 44, means GC is double of RG. तो जब भी सेंट्रॉइड के कारण मीडियन के 2 पार्ट्स होते हैं तो वो 2 पार्ट्स कैसे होते हैं? बड़ा वाला पार्ट छोटे वाले पार्ट का डबल होता है या फिर छोटा वाला पार्ट बड़े वाले पार्ट का आधा होता है. So from this what we can say that the ratio of these two sides of these two segments means RG upon GC is 2/1. Why 2/1? RG is 4.4 and GC is 2.2. So if we take this ratio, we will reduce it. 22 1s are 22 2s are. So we get the ratio 2/1. In the same way, this ratio QG upon GB, this will be 2.6 upon 1.3. So 13 1s are 13 2s are. This also will be 2/1. So what we observe that the centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1 or 2/1. The ratio will be always 2/1 for any triangle and for any medians. So what we have learned now? Now I know medians of a triangle are concurrent. They intersect at the same point. Their point of concurrence is called the centroid and it is denoted by capital G. For all types of triangles, all types means acute angled, right angled and obtuse angle. For all types of triangles, the location of G is in the interior of the triangle. Medians का जो point of intersection होता है वो हर ट्राइंगल में इंटीरियर में होता है. राइट एंगल में भी इनसाइड एंड obtuse angle may be inside the triangle, means interior of the triangle. And the last thing that we have studied just now is the centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. मतलब बड़ा वाला साइड छोटे वाले साइड का डबल होता है. Now based on these properties we will solve some examples. So here we have practice set 4.1. First question. In triangle LMN, dash is an altitude. ये ट्राइंगल में अल्टीट्यूड कौन सी है? Which is the altitude? Segment LX is the altitude. Altitude means what? The perpendicular segment drawn from a vertex on the opposite side. So here LX is the perpendicular segment. So write the name of appropriate segment. What is the altitude? Segment LX. And dash is a median. Which is the median? LY is the median. Medians means what? Segment which joins a vertex and the midpoint of opposite side. Second question. Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes. How many altitudes you will draw? 3. Name the point of concurrence as O. So this we have already studied. First draw an acute angle triangle. Then name it PQR, because in question they have told you to give name PQR. Draw all the altitudes. So by using set square, you have to draw all the altitudes and name the point of concurrence as O. So this is your homework. Next one. Draw an obtuse angle triangle STV. Draw its medians and show the centroid. So this activity also you have already done. Obtuse angle triangle draw करना है, उसके तीनों medians draw करना है, triangle को नाम देना है STV and show the centroid. This is the centroid G. Median कैसे draw करते हैं? By drawing perpendicular bisector of the three sides. So this one is also your homework. Next one. Draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. So draw its altitudes and denote the orthocenter. This also we have done. Obtuse angle triangle पहले draw करना है LMN. Then extend the side this one and this one. और फिर उसके तीन perpendiculars draw करना है और orthocenter को नाम देना है O. Denote the orthocenter by O. Like this you have to do. We have already done this 2 times. I have shown you in the previous video. Now this is also homework. Next one. Draw a right angled triangle XYZ. Draw its medians. Okay. So right angle triangle and medians is this example. Right angle triangle draw करना है और medians draw करना है और उसके centroid को नाम देना है G. So this also is your homework. 4 homework are there. Next one is draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its medians and altitudes. Write your observation about their point of concurrence. So this example I will show you on the paper. Isosceles triangle means what? A triangle in which any 2 sides have equal length. So how to draw an isosceles triangle, that we have studied in our 7th standard construction of triangle. So what we will do? We will draw an isosceles triangle of our choice. Suppose base I will select 8 centimeter. Mark the points starting and ending point. And immediately we will mark the midpoint. Why we are taking the midpoint? Because we want to draw the medians. So if we measure the triangle and draw the medians, then we can directly take the midpoint from the scale itself. So suppose this is the side BC and this is the midpoint of BC. Now isosceles triangle. So suppose remaining 2 sides I select as 6 centimeter. So mark 2 dots 0 and 6. Take the distance 6 centimeter in your compass. See, this is 6 centimeter. Now keep the compass on point C, mark an arc, and keep the compass on point B and mark an arc. Mark the point of intersection. Suppose this is point A and join AB and AC. See here, AC is 6 centimeter. Immediately mark the midpoint. What is the midpoint of 6? It will be 3 centimeter. So this is the midpoint of AC. Now join AB. You can see here AB is 6 centimeter. Join it and immediately mark the midpoint of 6. What is the midpoint of 6? 3 centimeter. Now we have to draw the medians also and altitudes also. So first we will draw the altitudes. How to draw the altitudes? By using the set square. So first we will draw the perpendicular of side BC from the vertex A. How to draw? First keep the सेट स्क्वायर ऑन BC. BC के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करना है तो BC पे सेट स्क्वायर रखेंगे और दूसरा जो सेट स्क्वायर का साइड है वो उसके अपोजिट वर्टेक्स पे रखेंगे. अपोजिट वर्टेक्स है A. नाउ जॉइन इट. So this is the altitude and you can observe that altitude is also median क्योंकि इसी सेगमेंट ने A को मिड पॉइंट से भी ज्वाइन किया है. तो यही आपका अल्टीट्यूड भी है और यही आपका मीडियन भी है. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द अल्टीट्यूड फॉर AC. तो AC के लिए जब ड्रॉ करना है तो सेट स्क्वायर रहेगा AC पे और दूसरी साइड रहेगी पॉइंट B पे. सेट स्क्वायर AC पे और दूसरी साइड उसके सामने वाले पॉइंट पे मतलब B पे, लाइक दिस. नाउ जॉइन इट. So just we will rub this. And join this. So this is the altitude. Now we have to draw the altitude of AB. So keep the set square on AB and second side on the opposite vertex means C. Join it. So what you observe that all the three altitudes they are concurrent and the point of concurrence is called as orthocenter. So we denote it with the alphabet O. Now we have to draw the medians. One median we have already drawn. Second median will be this one, C, and its opposite midpoint. So join it. Next one is B and its opposite midpoint. So join it. So what do you observe? That the medians are also concurrent and we denote it by the alphabet G. It is called as centroid. So this is the median and altitudes of isosceles triangle. What they have asked in the question? Write your observation about their point of concurrence. Okay. So what we observe that the point of concurrence of altitudes and medians, they are on the same segment. They lie on the same segment. Suppose here we give name P, Q, R. So both orthocenter and centroid, they lie on the segment AP, where AP is the median also and one altitude also. So this is the observation that we get. Now the last question of this practice set. Fill in the blanks. Point G is the centroid of triangle ABC. If RG is 2.5, then GC is how much? RG means this one. This is 2.5. So how much will be CG? CG will be double of 2.5. 2.5 double is 5 centimeter. So here the answer will be 5. Okay. Next, if BG is 6, see here, BG is 6. Then how much will be BQ? BQ means this complete segment. So if BG is 6, then GQ will be half of 6. बड़ा वाला जितना है उसका आधा रहता है छोटा वाला. So this will be 3. And 6 plus 3, how much? BQ will be 9. And the last one. If AP is 6, AP means this complete one. AP is 6. This is wrong actually. So this is not my textbook. That's why it is written here wrong. AP is 6. Then AG and GP. AG and GP. तो